Justice Clarence Thomas is now calling for the Supreme Court to reconsider some of its other rulings. Thomas saying today, in part, in future cases, we should reconsider all of this court's substantive due process precedents, including Griswold, Lawrence, and Obergefell. With the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade today, it has also caught the attention for many in the gay community. The natural question is why. Justice Thomas mentioned the Obergefell case, but America knows it as the case that legalized gay marriage. Tonight, I speak exclusively with Jim Obergefell, who is concerned that if this Supreme Court can rewrite history with abortion, then there is a fear that gay marriage could be one of the several other cases the court will overturn.
John and I joked that for us, it wasn't love at first sight, it was love at third sight.
Jim Obergefell's road to becoming what he calls an accidental activist started with that third sight, when he met the love of his life, John Arthur.
He was just witty, charming, generous, and a whole lot of fun to be around.
Obergefell says John changed his view on the world, on life. And then came that fateful day that would change Jim Obergefell's life and chart his path all the way to the Supreme Court.
It was early in 2012, I noticed that when John was walking around our condo, it sounded different. It sounded almost like his foot was slapping the floor harder. One foot was slapping the floor harder than the other.
The two men soon found out John's days were numbered. It was ALS, and it is undefeated.
ALS it's a one-way trip. It's fatal. There's no cure. There's really not even an effective treatment. And most people die within 2 to 5 years.
For John, it was the short end of that diagnosis. With his health deteriorating in 2013, the two men had to hop a medical charter from Ohio to Maryland, where same-sex marriage was legal.
So we just figured we're never going to have this opportunity. We will never be able to marry and have it mean anything legal.
With John bedridden, they were married inside the plane on a tarmac, only to turn around to head back to Ohio, where the state's Defense of Marriage Act did not recognize their love. And then a lawyer broke the bad news.
When he dies, his last official record as a person, his last record as a citizen of Ohio and of the United States will be wrong, because Ohio will say he's unmarried. And Jim, this field here for surviving spouse, your name won't be there.
Obergefell and Arthur sued the state of Ohio to have their marriage recognized, and they won. The state appealed, and Obergefell took his case to the Supreme Court. Obergefell v. Hodges. The victory rang out like a celebration not seen on the steps of the Supreme Court in years. Unfortunately, John died before the verdict was rendered. Jim sat before the judges sobbing as they read their decision.
And as I'm crying, of course, I'm thinking of John, John, I wish you were here. I wish you could know that our marriage can never be erased. And then I realized that for the first time in my life as an out gay man, I felt like an equal American.
But now that a predominantly conservative high court has overturned Roe v. Wade, Obergefell and others in the gay community are left to wonder, could their progress be next? Justice Clarence Thomas even mentioned the need to revisit Jim's case in Friday's majority opinion.
That leaked decision certainly gave me cause to worry, to be concerned, to be terrified.
A majority of the justices now contend that the right to end a pregnancy was not found in the text of the Constitution nor our nation's history. With that rationale, Obergefell says every past Supreme Court ruling lacking enough history to a conservative court could be in the crosshairs.
So those rights that are not actually specifically written out in the Constitution, like the right to privacy, the right to marry, that those rights can only be considered rights if they have a long history or tradition in the United States. Well, marriage equality, we're coming up in 7 years. That is certainly not a long history or tradition. So should we really be interpreting our nation's governing document on an understanding of the world, on an understanding of society from the late 18th century?
Jim Obergefell will spend this summer campaigning in his district in Ohio. His opponent, a conservative incumbent in a red district that he knows isn't usually on the side of a Democrat. But then again, Obergefell knows a thing or two about defeating giants.
I still miss John. I miss him dearly. My life isn't the same without him. But I also get to talk about him all the time. And for me, that's a gift. It keeps John alive.
In his separate opinion, Justice Thomas also mentioned two cases that the court needs to reconsider. 1965 Griswold versus Connecticut. That case said married couples have a right to access contraceptives. And in 2003, Lawrence versus Texas. The Supreme Court said states could not outlaw consensual gay sex.